Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. As you can see, we have a lot to do today. So in this video we are going to pretty much almost finish this KTM 300 build. So stick around. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and jump on the board. If you love dirt bikes, you're gonna love it here. This is my 2004 KTM 250 SX that I've been working on for the last 5 months. I bought it for $900, took it completely apart and started rebuilding everything from ground up. And we are at a stage where today we're gonna almost finish this bike. So the only thing remaining for this bike after this video would be to do the graphics, seat, and just some small things, but majority you'll be able to see today. So for this video we are going to do some blink from Works Connection. We have a lot of Works Connection pieces, anodized orange, aluminum. It will look really nice. Then we're also gonna install Works Connection Aerometer. Trailtech, we're gonna do a kickstand from Trailtech and also Endurance 2 tachometer to, you know, be able to see how fast we go and be able to see how many miles we do and stuff like that. Then we're gonna do a brand new X-ring chain for the bike. Now I have complete set of Acerbis plastics, everything from handguards to foreguards. I even got a mud flap, and I even went ahead and bought brand new KTM OEM cover for airbags, which by the way is also made by Acerbis. So everything is Acerbis. I know you guys are pretty smart and you pay attention to details, so you're probably looking at a fender and thinking, is that 2004 fender? No, it's not. No, it's not. This is a fender from 2014, 2015. I decided to give her a little facelift, you know, make her look a little bit younger. So I got this front number plate and a fender of 2013, 14, 15 models. And also I got a bracket that would fit my triple clamps. I think it will look really good on the bike. So we're gonna do that. And last thing here, we had a P3 carbon fiber guard for the pipe for FMF gnarly. So these are the things I need to do today. Let's take the tank off to get better access to coil and all wires. So first we're gonna install this Aerometer. What I like is that it counts your total hours, which you cannot reset, but then it also gives you an option to have a second display where you can reset your hours. So if you want to count the hours between oil changes, you can do that as well. Plus it shows your RPM and also your max RPM. Yeah, not bad. I'm gonna wrap this pickup wire. I think 5 times should be sufficient. Right here. 1. Works Connection also has this bracket that you can use, put it through the hole, there is one bolt holding it, and then we can mount our meter on the top. I had to use a tie wire because it was kind of hard angle and I wasn't able to put my fingers in there. I used this tie wire to fish it in. Works just fine. Put one more zip tie right here because I want to keep this wire kind of away from the radiator. So I want to keep it routed this way. I'm gonna install this Trailtech trip computer right here on the handlebars. I was thinking about the best place. I was considering to put it here or maybe even from the handlebars, but I think right here in the middle, touching the pad, it would be the best. We're gonna install this cool looking Archerbis handguards, but before I do that, I need to get the hacksaw and cut off ends of these grips. For the left side, I think we can get away if we drill the hole right in the middle. I think it's time to install our plastics and see the bike taking shape. last thing today would be to install the chain. You see, I already put it on the sprocket, I installed it, and this is brand new chain, comes with I believe 120 links, so there is more than you need. So set your wheel where you want to have it. You see, I put the chain adjuster quite a bit inside, so the axle is kind of in the middle, and then I'll be able to go another inch back if I need to make it a little bit tighter. So right now I think this is fine. I put a zip tie right here on this link. The inner link, they're coming together, and the connector link will go through them. So I don't have the fancy splitter for the chain. What I'm gonna do it the old school way. I'm gonna grind off this pin and remove this part of the chain. And as always, don't forget to put on safety goggles. Alright guys, so here she is, 95% done. Everything I want to do today is done, everything is on the bike. The only things remaining is the seat that is with moto seat, will look really nice, and then all my graphics and a few little things that I will show you once this bike is revealed. So this is the last time you see her like this. The next time you see her, she would be 100% done, and it should look pretty good. So what do you guys think? How did everything turn out? Like, you know, honestly, I kind of like it a little bit more when I just could see the frame and everything. These plastics, and they look okay, but I kind of like it more when it was just like in the middle of the build. It could be just me. So let me know below in the comments. I really want to hear what you guys have to say about this build, about this bike, about the stage it is right now. I think this front fender and the number plate looks really good. Some of you told me to try to change all the plastics to like 2015, but I didn't want to do that. I still want to keep this bike 2004. A little front fender and things, that's just little facelift, but the majority of the bike I want to keep 2004 in really pristine, beautiful condition. That was my plan with the bike. I didn't want to change this bike into something, pretend that this is 2015. I want this bike to be 2004 in the best possible condition. So that was my hope, that was my goal for this build. Let me know again below in the comments. I'm really curious. I want to hear from you guys. And yeah, next time when this bike has plastics on, as I said before in the second video, I asked you guys to chip in and help me build this bike, to give donation through my PayPal. So all the guys who helped, your names will be right here on this side. I have over 20 people that help, and thank you so much. Once we reveal this bike, all your name will be nicely revealed here on the side of the bike. And everybody who gave more than 100 bucks will get a custom hoodie. And you remember that, right? So today, right now, officially, donation is over. If you guys give some donation now, there is no way for me to put you on the bike because the things are already printing, all the graphics are printing, so there is no way you can get on the bike. But if you really want to get a hoodie, you can still get a hoodie. I didn't print a hoodie yet. It will be a custom hoodie dedicated to this build and dedicated to you guys who chipped in, who helped. So if you want to get that custom limited edition Dirt and Iron KTM 300 build hoodie, I'll give it to everybody who donates $100 or more for this build. So that's still open. If you want to get the hoodie, you know, I'll put link in the description, send a donation and you can get a hoodie. Other than that, guys, I'm really stoked how everything looks, how everything turned out. So now I'm gonna break her in, and probably in the next video to come I might have something interesting for you guys. That's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.